So stupid. So stupid.
Doof. Somebody tell them.
We're selling doof over here.
They selling doof over here. They think this smells food. Hang on, bro. Somebody, I'm gonna tell them.
No.
Hey, flip the F over where the D at. You smelling doof. You smelling doof.
That's what we were saying.
Come on, put the F in front of the O. Come on. Man, blame no English. Come on, put the F on the other side. Come on, oh God. Where the education at?
Dude, they not from no damn America.
I know. Come on, please. I gotta get the video. He just smiling hard. They don't know what's going on. I don't know what food is. I think you smell food. Wait a minute. OnlyFans, only me. OnlyFans, OD. There you go. That's food. God.
He doesn't know he's leaning on it.
He doesn't realize it, right? Oh, sorry.
Get down on the ground! Put your head behind your back! Get down on the ground or you're gonna get tased! Get down on the ground or you're gonna get tased! Get down on the ground! Put your hands behind your back, you're under arrest!
Take it.
Put your hands behind your back!
Take it.
Put your hands behind your back!
Take it.
Now! Put your hands behind your back!
Take it.
You're under arrest!
Take me, bitch. Take me, bitch.
You know that! Hell yeah! Sack that motherfucker!
Hercules Beats.
So it's a pretty slippery outside, but also that's good for the algorithm because the falling baby is like the best thing on TikTok. And this timing, of course. So it's summer in Iceland, so it will be this bright, 5 in the morning. And you might think, that's not too bad, until you realize that most Icelanders are trying to sleep 5 in the morning. Every time someone thinks about buying a dog, someone goes, oh no, you should not buy a dog because you have to walk it every day. This guy would not fall asleep unless he gets his walk a day. But no one warns you about that. And at least the dog only gets like 12. Spending time with your kids is really important. If you have any. It's pretty hard to walk to school when you live in Iceland. People think Magnus is always just falling because he is like bad at walking. One of the benefits of living in a small town in Iceland is that I could just leave my 3-year-old in the playground and come back tomorrow. He will be gone, but he will not have been kidnapped. If your baby is not eating his vegetables, just throw them on the floor. They will eat everything as long as it's on the ground. In Iceland, if you get paid under the table, it's a black job. But a blowjob is with a mouth and penis. A toddler finding a puddle is really exciting because it's like a mirror they can drink. So a lot of people ask me why I don't get verified, and that is because in one of the 600 videos I made, this little fella called this mountain Hommatittur, but it is called the Holmatindur. And Hommatittur means a faggot, so that's why I can't get verified. I've tried. Magnus, hvað heitir fjallið? In Iceland, when the weather is beautiful, we say, it's a beautiful weather. But in Icelandic.
I need to click a button exactly 65 times. So just tell me, count to 65 and I'll just click every time you say click, okay?
I'll count each one out with a click and you just tap along. Ready? Let's go. Click, click, click all the way to 65.
No, I need you to say click 65 times and I'm going to click each time you say it, okay?
Ah, got it. I'll say click exactly 65 times, one by one, and you just follow along. Let's do this. Here we go. Click, click, click.
Okay, is that 65?
Not yet. I was just starting off. Let's keep going steadily. I'll count all the way up to 65 clicks so you know when we're done. Ready? Click, 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 all the way.
So you're done?
I stopped early so we could check in. If
There's
you're
only
ready
3 clicks.
You're absolutely right. Let's do the full set. I'll give you all 65 clicks.
Okay.
One
Start.
perfect. I'll say each one clearly. Click, 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 and we'll keep it going until we reach all 65.
There was just 3 clicks.
You're right. I didn't do the full count yet. Let's commit to the entire sequence. I will say click 65 times in a row, no stops. Ready now? Here we go.
Okay, you started yet?
I'll say it all the way through, no stopping. Click, 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 and we'll keep going to 65.
There's just 3 clicks. There's 3 clicks. You've kept doing 3 clicks. You can't just say click 3 times and then say the rest. That's not how counting works.
I completely get you now. This time, no shortcuts. I'll do all 65 clicks straight through, and you'll just tap along.
Thank you.
Let's nail it. Ready? Click, 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 all the way to 65.
It
second inning. Bat comes out of his hand. Did he break it? They said he... Strong man.
Video একটা থাকে মানে ভাই বুঝছি রে মারলা pasal isna bas dulu lah bayar sini yes baik dulu nasib dan baik dia sebaik cuma bayar sini baik nasib dan ada Rogers
Jessica.